morning student. Today we will start exercise 5.2 of the complex number. In this exercise we discuss about how we find the complex numbers modulus and argument. That is, argument is amplitude, that means theta, and how we find convert the polar form of the numbers. We know that if complex number a plus pi the b, this one, so that's why if we draw on the plane, it is our a is a real part on the x axis होता है, ये imaginary part होता है वो हमारा z axis पे होता है. So that's why it is a a, it is a b, so it is our argument plane. This is a, this is b, this point is a and b. What is the modulus? Modulus is the distance of region, that means hypotenuse. Very easy to remember. We know that it is a base by the Pythagoras theorem. That means hypotenuse z mod of z is equal to square root of a square plus b square. We know that कि hypotenuse square is equal to क्या होता है, base square plus perpendicular square. यहाँ square वहाँ क्या बन जाता है, root. It is our modulus. Now, what is the amplitude? Amplitude at theta, that is with the x-axis our argument plane, which angle means. You know what is the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, all. So that's why angle tan theta, we on tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. Okay? It is positive. If our negative हो गया, that means if there are 4 quadrants, we know that first, second, and fourth, third, fourth. Okay? In the 10th class में हमने only ये पढ़ा था. अगर मान लो कि हमारे 10th में यहाँ वैल्यू माइनस प्लस पॉजिटिव आती थी, तो that means very good same as it. अगर -1 आ गया तो आपने -5/4 भी लिख दोगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट यहाँ पर आपको वैल्यूज चेक करनी पड़ेगी ए और बी की. हमें पता है कि फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में एक्स और वाई बहुत पॉजिटिव होते हैं, एंड सेकंड में एक्स नेगेटिव वाई पॉजिटिव, थर्ड में दोनों नेगेटिव, एंड फोर्थ में एक्स पॉजिटिव वाई नेगेटिव. Here we apply formula. Two formulas are there basic for remembering. There are 6 functions of trigonometry. That means add sugar to coffee or after school to college. That means after school to college. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? That means in the first quadrant all the trigonometry sign are positive, and school, that means sign. First of all, sign and sign reciprocal is positive in the second quadrant. Understand? Similarly, too, in the third quadrant, T for tan, tan or tan reciprocal is positive in the third quadrant, and C for college, cos, that means cos reciprocal is positive in the fourth quadrant. Now, angular formations कैसे चेक करोगे बेटा? In the first quadrant, my angle is 0 to 90. That means we know that if sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, because it lies in the first quadrant. If we have discussed about sin 90 plus theta, that means 90 above, greater than angle आगे, that means our plane shift in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive. Understand? So it becomes sin is cos. Sin का cos, cos का sin. But when we rotation in the even parts, that means if we rotation 180, that means 90 की 2 rotations हो गई. That means जो sin है वो sin का sin ही रहेगा, cos का cos रहेगा, tan का tan रहेगा. But you have to put the sign according to quadrant. That is sin 180 minus theta is equal to again sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. If we discuss sin 180 plus theta is equal to, this is equal to टेंजेंट थीटा। ओके, अगर पोलर फॉर्म गिवन हो तो हमने रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म, दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म फाइंड आउट करनी हो, दैट मीन्स we have find same as it is method. Now come to the exercise 5.2. First question is that find the modulus and argument of the complex number. First question is that z is equal to -1 minus root 3 iota. First of all compare what is the a -1 and what is the b minus root 3. Modulus find out. Mod of z is equal to square root of a square plus b square. A square is -1 square plus b is minus root square. This is equal to 1 plus 3. This is equal to root 4. This is a 2. Our modulus is 2. Now we find amplitude. Tan theta is equal to b upon a. What is a b? Minus root 3. And what is a minus 1, minus minus cancel. Now tan theta is equal to root 3. First of all check that when our tan theta is root 3, that is tan 60. Okay, tan 60 is root 3. And where, now we check where tan is positive, in the first quadrant and third quadrant. You know na, abhi humne kiya tha after scroll to column, that means tan is positive in first and third. Now we check, select only one quadrant. Now we check that where is, what is the value of a and b. A and b both have the negative. That means this lie in the third quadrant. That means not lying. That means our plane is here. So that's why what is angle lies between 180 above and 270 below. So that tan theta is equal to, we can write tan 180 plus 60. tan से tan कैंसल, थीटा इज इक्वल टू कितना आ जाएगा बेटा हमारे पास 240 डिग्री. दिस इज अवर आर्गुमेंट. अंडरस्टैंड? सिमिलरली यू डू second question. Now next question 3 to 8 convert into the polar form. For example, we have a take a fourth question, -1 plus iota. First, what is our a? First of all, a is -1 and b is again 1. Now put a is equal to r cos theta and b is equal to r sin theta. That is -1 is equal to r cos theta. This is the first equation, and 1 is equal to r sin theta. This is our second equation. Now you know there we have to do two steps. First of all, squaring and adding 1 and 2. Squaring and adding 1 and 2. That is left hand side solve. Right hand side we have to add in the right hand side. -1 square plus 1 square is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. -1 square is 1 plus 1 equal to r square common beta cos square theta plus sin square theta. It is equal to 1. So r square is equal to 2. R is root 2. Okay. Now we find angle. Now divide 1 and 2. That is r sin theta over r cos theta is equal to b upon a. R cancel by r. Sin upon cos is equal to, what is the b? 1. What is the a? Minus. Sin upon cos is tan theta equal to 1. Again, similarly we find angle. In this way, first question same as it is. Our tan value is -145. 1 is 45. Tan negative. Second and fourth quadrant. But x is negative, y is positive. That means our angle lie in the second quadrant. So that's why theta is equal to tan pi, that is 180, pi minus pi by 4, that is pi is 180. We standardize it. Tan by tan cancel, tan theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. So polar form is z is equal to r. R is root 2 r into cos theta plus iota sin theta. Root 2 cos 3 pi by 4 plus iota sin 3 pi by 4. This is our polar form. This is your answer.